Hey, Rob here with CFS, creating another solution. There is a problem we feel with the Harbor Freight stand, especially if you're going to mount their saw to their stand. That is, they have a rubber foot at the bottom. With that rubber foot location, there is no way to clamp them evenly. They will actually torque this on an angle. So what we've done to solve that problem is we have the spacer that goes in here. The other problem is the hardware they give you is it's not bad, but the washers and lock washers would set this bolt too high, and you actually would hit your table here. So what we did is we made a special spacer nut that drops into that hex drop down there, and that gives you the ability to torque that bolt that comes with the hardware kit, and you're able to properly clamp your saw to your stand. If you're not doing it that way, we feel that these brackets are not going to last long because you're actually torquing these on an angle, and that's something Harbor Freight obviously missed, and we found that as a defect or flaw, and we solved it, and we have that kit offered here now. This product will be in the link in the description below. Guys, if you like our channel, subscribe, share. Another solution here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you so much.